Hey guys, welcome back. I'm glad you're joining me today. Today we got a special character from the Simpsons. It's their loving cat, Snowball. So, if you like Snowball and you love the Simpsons like I do, grab yourself a sheet of paper, a pencil, a pen, some markers, and let's get started to draw. Alright guys, we're going to start over on the left side of the page. So I'm going to draw a horizontal eye like that, and then we're going to draw this up and down, kind of like a thin football, and we're going to color that in. That's going to be the pupil of the eye. Then I'm going to draw a nose over here, so it's going to be a smaller elliptical shape. And the reason why I'm drawing this is because now I'm going to draw the other eye, and I don't want to make sure, I don't go through this eye. Just like that. Then we'll create another point. It's like a football pointy shape there. Now over here, we'll create this little bump. And then this is going to come down towards the right. And then it's going to be rounded, somewhat pointy. And then as we bring this line back up, it's going to come and curve. It's not going to hit this eye here, but it's going to come and slope over in this direction. Then right about under the nose, we'll create a curve like that, and then this will come down towards the left. That'll be the neck. Now we'll come back up where the eye is over here, and we'll draw another bump like that, and then we'll draw the two, like the forehead and then the ears. So we'll come up in this direction, and then we'll point like this. Then we'll create this U shape like that, and then we're going to create another shape like this, and then over here we're going to come back down and we'll do another one, and then this will come down and over to the left. So right over here we'll have a collar now. So we're going to come like this, and we can extend a little bit, and then I'm going to draw the other side of the collar, and we'll follow this curve, and then we'll come over and up, and then this one will be over and like that, and then we can create a couple circular shapes. Just add 3 maybe, like that. Alright, so now we have the head. Let's add some whiskers. So we'll do 2 whiskers over here, and then we have a little tooth, and then we have 1 back here, just like that. Okay, now let's go and draw the back of the cat Snowball. So we'll extend a line like this, kind of comes up a little bit. And then I'm going to do a leg starting over here. I'm going to draw a curve slightly over to the left, bending to the left. And then right about here, I'm going to draw the other side of the leg. And then I'm going to draw a curve forward, and then another one. And then this one will just hook this way and end like that. So then if I continue a line like that, I need your help to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Click that subscribe button. That way you get to see all of my videos. I do them every single day, and you don't want to miss out on any single one of them. Then we can draw another leg right here. And I'll draw another curve down. And then this one will have kind of 3 little paw shapes. That, and then this one will come all the way to over here, and then this will be the back leg. So I will create a line like that, and then do a second one, and then we'll do kind of like a hook like this, and then another one like that. That comes this way and then it goes up. and then we'll have one leg in the back here. So we'll do that. And then for this one, I'm just going to start with this bottom shape here, hook that over, hook it this way, and we'll come back up. All right, then I will round this. So this line is going to come across, it's going to come up and kind of come towards the back. And then right about here, I'm going to start with the tail. So I'm just going to come out like this, and then as I get to the top, it's going to get a little bit wider like that, and then we'll come down and like this, and then we can meet up. All right guys, I just finished drawing Snowball from The Simpsons using an ink pen. Now, if yours didn't turn out like mine did, it's okay. Go down in the description below, click the link, and you can download the free coloring page. And then you can start off right where I am, and you can have some fun coloring this in with some markers. So grab yourself some markers, watch to the end because it turns out really cool. All right guys, I'll see you in a bit. Well, there you go guys. I just had a ton of fun drawing in Snowball from The Simpsons. I hope you enjoyed it. Please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell because I do videos every day and I don't want you to miss any one of them. And if you have any special requests, just leave them in the comments below and I'll try to get to it as soon as I can. All right guys, until tomorrow, I'll see you then. Bye-bye.